Okay, here, let's try it again. Open. Open. Good. Mmm. Oatmeal. Mmm. Oh. I guess you don't like it? Are you trying to tell Mommy you don't like it? Come on. It's good. It's good for you. Come on. Open. Good. Mmm. Don't spit it out. What do you think of it? What do you think of this? You don't want any more? No? Is it yucky?